Hi guys, how are you all? I think everyone is well. Today we are going to making ATS score app. We are going to using ChatGPT to make this app and I paste my all social media account links in the description. Also follow me on other social media platforms. Okay, let us start this video. Now I am writing my prompt. Let's see ChatGPT what answer I am writing. Okay, I am telling I want to make ATS resume check app, and I also have information about this app. So I am giving information of this app. Now I give all information and it thinking. Okay, it give me the answer. Let's see, but it give me answer in like PDF or document, the tile, and I am seeing how we can copy the one cell like these libraries and the all these code. Let's see, but it's showing download option. Sorry, it tell all is in markdown, and but we need to copy the all things like requirement files, requirement libraries, and the codes of different files. Let's see how we can copy. But let's start this project and first I am making requirement files dot txt, and let copy the let and I am copying. Okay, before we continue this video, I have a request for you. Please subscribe my channel and set notification on all, and also like this video, and thanks for watching. Now I paste all requirement files here. Let's see. Uh, Next, we need to make .env. Let's make this, and we need to add these all. Sorry, these codes, and we need to maximum upload 100 MBs. Okay, and let copy the all these code and paste it here. But first we need to make the um, file, widget file, and now I am pasting. So I paste it here, and mm, but it is showing me error, and let's see, I am again copying and pasting here, but again it is showing error and not copying in right. Now I am again asking for code and telling it gives me code cell by cell to easy copy the all code. Oh, sorry, it not give me. I think I am not tell it right. Again I am asked. Now this time it give me in right, and let's see. Let's see. Let's copy the all code, and again I paste it here, and let's see. Now we are making next file utils.py file. Let's make. Okay, I make, and now I copy and pasting code here, and now I making scoring .py file. Okay, I make, and I copy and paste it here. I mean code. Okay, let's see. Now this time I make AI utils .py file, and again copy and paste the code here. Okay, let's see. Now this time we need to make a folder of templates, and then we need to make index.html file. Let's see. Okay, I make the file and folder, and we need to copy the all HTML, and I paste copy and paste here. Okay, let's see. Now this time we need to make readme.md file where the all information of this app. Okay, let's see. And okay, I copy and make, and I make. Okay, let copy the all information. I copy all information and paste it here. Let's see the result of this md file. Let's see. Okay, it's good. And okay, fine, it's good. Now I already told it I using Conda environment, and it gives me the code to make the Conda environment. Let make the environment. First we need to deactivate this environment fast API, and again we need to deactivate, and now this time I am making the environment. Okay, let's see. I enter, and it processing. Now it this time it installing Python. It installing Python. Okay, and also it making the environment. Downloading is complete. Let's activate the uh, environment. Now this time we need to set the path. Let's set the path. Okay, let's see. Okay, I set the path. Now this time we need to install all requirement libraries, and let I it installing all libraries. Now this time I am in Google Studio, and I am here for API key. Let's get the API key. Here is the API key. Let's get the API key. I make my new API key. Let's copy the API key. Now this time I am going to run this app. Let's copy the run command and then run this app. Now I run the command, but it's showing error, no module name app. Let's solve this error.